Things you should know before starting an e-commerce store in 2024. Market trends. 1. Mobile-first approach. Ensure your store is optimized for mobile devices, as most customers shop on their smartphones. 2. Sustainability. Consider eco-friendly packaging, shipping options, and product offerings to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. 3. Voice commerce. Prepare for voice-based shopping, as devices like Alexa and Google Assistant become more popular. 4. Personalization. Use data and AI to offer personalized experiences such as product recommendations and tailored marketing. Technical requirements. 1. Secure payment gateway. Ensure your store has a secure payment gateway such as PayPal or Stripe. 2. SSL certification. Install an SSL certificate to protect customer data and display a trust badge. 3. Fast loading times. Optimize your site for speed, as slow loading times can lead to high bounce and lost sales. 4. Responsive design. Ensure your site is responsive and adapts to different devices and screen sizes. Marketing and promotion. 1. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to promote your brand and products. 2. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to reach new audiences. 3. Content marketing. Create high-quality, relevant content to attract and engage with potential customers. 4. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to drive sales and loyalty. Operations and logistics. 1. Shipping and fulfillment. Set up a reliable shipping and fulfillment process to ensure timely delivery of products. 2. Inventory management. Implement an inventory management system to track stock levels and avoid stockouts. 3. Returns and refunds. Establish a clear returns and refunds policy to build trust with customers. 4. Customer support. Provide multi-channel customer support through phone, email, chat, or social media. Financial planning. 1. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your e-commerce store's launch, marketing, and operations. 2. Cost control. Monitor costs and optimize expenses to maintain profitability. 3. Pricing strategy. Determine your pricing strategy based on product costs, competition, and target audience. 4. Tax compliance. Ensure you comply with tax laws and regulations in your region.